In this video, I'll be showing you guys on how to use Clearpay online. So let's get started. Now, first of all, obviously you'll have to find a shopping store that supports Clearpay. So in this case, I found this clothing brand, which is Miss Pap. So let's say I'm gonna go ahead and shop something here. So I could, let's say, go ahead and shop this bag right here. Then I could say add to bag, and I could say view bag. And then obviously I could go ahead and click on checkout, and as you can see here, these are the supported payment methods, and you can see Clearpay is right there in that corner. Yeah, so we can go ahead and click on checkout. Now here, first of all, obviously you'll have to make an account, but I'm just gonna join as a guest. Now once I'm here, as you can see, I've added a dummy address here and a dummy phone number. So just go ahead and type in your home address. Then once you scroll down, you can also choose which delivery method you would like. You can obviously go ahead and choose the expensive one if you want it as quickly as possible, but I'm just gonna go with that. Now this is where the main part comes in, yeah, under the payment section. Now if you scroll down here, you'll see many payment methods. You have card, Apple Pay, Google Pay, PayPal, Klarna, and lastly you got Clearpay. So if I click on that, you can see that you'll be redirected to Clearpay website to fill out your payment information. Basically, you're gonna go there and add your card. So like your card number and all that stuff on your card. And please note that Clearpay can only be used as a payment method for orders with a shipping and billing address within the UK, yeah? And you can also see the different options they got right here. So just go ahead and click on proceed to Clearpay, because that's where all the main things are gonna happen. So it's gonna redirect you to their website. Now here, obviously, first of all, you'll have to go get signed up. I'm just gonna click continue for now. And then obviously it's gonna ask for further verification. And right now I do not have a phone number and an address based there, so I basically can't create an account, but you get the idea. Now once you're there, you'll have to choose the installment plan you want, for example how much you want to pay per month and etc. And then you can go ahead, add your card, and make sure that your card has enough money every month, because for example they try to do a transaction but your card doesn't have enough money, they could possibly fine you. And yeah, it can get expensive like that. So make sure that you have sufficient funds every month to pay the monthly installments. So alright guys, that's basically it on how you can use Clearpay. I hope that this video has helped you out, and I'll be seeing you guys next time. Peace out.